Today we are going to learn about function tables. A function table is a table that shows possible outcomes of a function, which is a rule. Numbers enter the function table and, after following the rule, exit as a different number. So I have an example of a function table right here. Okay, there's an input, so it's like a magic machine. You can picture the input, that's the number that goes in. And in this function machine, the machine does something to the number and spits out a new number. So let's look at what this machine is doing. So in goes the number 1, out comes the number 3. In goes the number 2, out comes the number 4. In goes the number 3, out comes the number 5. In goes the number 4, out comes the number 6, in goes the number 5. Now I left this blank because I want to talk about how we would determine a missing number in a function table. But let's go back up to our 1. So 1 went into the machine, 3 came out. Okay, so I can start to think about what mathematical things could happen to the number 1 so that 3 could come out. I know that 1 times 3 would give me 3. Okay, now the rule would be the same for the whole function table. So let's go down to the number 2. 2 went in and 4 came out. If the times 3 rule is true, then 2 times 3, well, that equals 6. That's not the output, that's right here. So times 3 cannot be our rule. Okay, let's try again. I put in 1. What else can get me to 3? 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, let's try it with 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's the right input now. Okay, 3. 3 plus 2, that equals 5. Okay, that was our output, so these are working so far. 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, so I think we found our rule. Our rule for our function table is plus 2. So now we can look at our missing output. 5 goes into the machine. 5, we apply our rule. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So 7 would be our missing output. And that's what a function table is. You want to look at the pattern that you see between the input and the output to figure out what the rule is, what the machine is doing to the numbers.